Class 11th B, Subject Biology. Chapter 1st, The Living World. Second part, Metabolism. The sum total of all the chemical reaction occurring in our body in metabolism. All living organisms, both unicellular and multicellular, exhibit metabolism. No non-living objects show metabolism. Here we should not forget the fact that metabolism is the total sum of all chemical reactions performing in our body. It is not the sum of few or more living reactions. All organisms are made of small or big chemicals. These chemicals perform thousands of reactions and perform some other chemicals also in the bodies of living organisms. All plants and animals, fungi, microbes exhibit metabolism. Now next, there are two types of metabolism: catabolism, anabolism. Catabolism, it is breakdown reactions are involved such as respirations, digestions, etc. Anabolism, all the build-up reaction to increase the mass of organism like photosynthesis. Now next, fourth, cellular organization. Cellular organization. Cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms are composed of cells. Some are composed of a single cell and are called cells, unicellular organism, while other like us composed of many cells are called multicellular organism. Unicellular organisms are capable and or independent existence and performing essential functions of life. Next, anything less than a complete structure of a cell does not ensure independent living. Hence, cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Consciousness. Consciousness is the most obvious, technically complicated features of all living organisms. We sense this physical, chemical, or biological stimuli through our sense organs. Plants also sense and respond to external factors like light, water, temperature, other organisms, pollutants, etc. All organisms from the prokaryotes to complex eukaryotes show consciousness to environmental cues. Self consciousness, two types: self consciousness and consciousness. Consciousness are livings are present. Self consciousness exclusive features present in the human being, for example human. And next, uh, for example conscious brain डेड पेशेंट, सेल्फ कॉन्शियसनेस इसमें एब्सेंट होता है एंड कॉन्शियसनेस प्रेजेंट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो हम इस तरह से ब्रेन डेड पेशेंट्स को लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म कह सकते हैं.